find and simplify the difference quotient. Okay, in fact this ratio is called difference quotient for the function answering the following. So to evaluate this, eventually we want to do the intermediate work. We evaluate the function f at x plus 8, then we subtract f of x, which is given, then eventually we divide this part that's on the top by 8 and simplify. Okay, so let's find f of x plus 8 first. So our function is given here, so f of x is x squared minus 5x. That is in fact f of input, any input, f of input. If this input is in the domain, then we get that equals, this is output, that input is squared minus 5x. Now in part A we have f of x plus 8. So the input is now not x, we have x plus 8. So this x will be replaced by x plus 8, and this x is also replaced by x plus 8. So f of x plus 8 will be f of input. F of input is squared minus 5 times input. So f of input is input squared minus 5 times input. Okay, now let's simplify. X plus 8 is square, means x plus 8 times x plus 8. So we multiply x plus 8 by itself. Okay, it's not simply x squared plus h squared. That's false, that's not true. We need to multiply, spoil, distribute. So x squared, x8 h is squared. So x is squared, x8 plus x8, how many? 2 plus h is squared. So this is in fact x is squared plus 2x8 plus h is squared minus 5 times this quantity. So we want to distribute negative 5. Okay, negative 5x, negative 5h. Let's try to simplify here. X squared, so all 5 terms are unlike. Okay, none of them are like terms. So this is it. That's part A. Let's go to part B. We want to evaluate f of x plus h minus f of x. This part is found in part A, so we're going to write everything. So x is squared plus 2xh plus h is squared minus 5x minus 5h minus, due to this minus, whatever we write after minus, we need to put parentheses around because we need to distribute negative 1 later. We have fx, okay, this function that's given in the question. Fx is in fact x squared minus 5x, x squared minus 5x. This negative means negative 1, so we need to distribute negative 1, and we get, okay, this is separate, get x squared plus 2xh plus h squared minus 5x minus 5h minus x squared minus plus 5x. Let's simplify. Negative x squared, positive x squared cancel, negative 5x, positive 5x cancel, then we have 2xh plus h squared minus 5h. Okay, that's part B. All three are unlike terms. In part C, now we want to find the difference quotient. This difference, we just found this difference in part B, we divide by h. Okay, so f of x plus h minus fx over h is equal to, okay, that equals, we found this top part in part B and we simplified, and we have 2xh plus h squared minus 5h divided by h. Okay, we have 3 terms on the top, So do not cancel anything. There is no cancellation. If you want to cancel something from top and bottom, you need to factor. Okay, bottom is fine, just one term, but on the top we have three terms, and h is square 8, so we can pull h out so that we can cancel with bottom. H out, then what is left? 2x plus h is square, 1 out, 1 left, minus 5 times h out, 5 left, over h. Now we cancel h and h. What is left? Equals 2x plus h minus 5. This is the difference quotient we are looking for. Final.